Hello, happy Friday. I am popping on here. I'm Kristen, obviously, at Unicorn Hollow, where writing has been a little challenging this week, as has pretty much everything lately. And so I'm popping on because I thought if I'm feeling overwhelmed, which quite frankly I am a lot lately, but especially today. And one of the first things, so if I'm feeling overwhelmed, I'm sure there are other people out there who are also feeling overwhelmed. Hi, Alice. It's good to see you. Um, and so I thought one of the first things that goes for me when I am in a space of overwhelm is self care. And two things that really are foundational to me for self care are getting outside, which is for some reason when I'm feeling overwhelmed, that just feels like too much. And then writing, which is not only what I do to earn a living, but it's also what I do to really find myself, heal my soul, connect, all of those things. And when I'm in a space of overwhelm, those two things really seem to go. Um, so, of course, now that I'm out here, this is a time of day where we live off of kind of a relatively busy road. Um, that is usually pretty quiet about this time of day, but now that I'm out here, of course, there are cars driving by. But one of the things I thought I could do is to force myself to both be outside and to write and to create a space for anyone else who maybe needs a little inspiration to spend some time writing. Um, Even if you can't do it now, I'm going to post this so that you can access it later. Or for people who don't have outside spaces, I'm really, really lucky to be able to live in a space that's beautiful. We have land around us. We have so many birds. And maybe at the end, I'll be able to show you the most ridiculous nest where there's a little baby I just saw, a little baby bird. um, but either way, I thought I would try to start a practice of live, Substack live writing sprints. I got to figure out a time that I can regularly commit to, but I thought I'd give it a try today and see how it goes. Where even if no one else shows up, um, maybe it's a space that people can access to be able to sit down and dedicate some time to write. And it's a space that will hopefully be filled with birds and leaves, and maybe you can even hear a little bit of the creek down in the hollow, or the holler, as they say here. Um, so anyway, without further ado, I am going to prop my phone up. I've got my, let me flip this around. So here's the view you're going to get. Down there is the creek. I'm going to prop my phone up here, and I'm going to be sitting over here writing, and for 15 minutes. So, Alice, I hope you're around. Oh, well, awesome. I'm so thankful you stopped in, Alice. I'll make sure I post this when I'm finished. But anyway, I'm going to start 15 minutes now. And if you're joining me later, I will not be watching this. It'll just be the trees in the air, and hopefully myself and whoever else can get some great writing in. All right, happy Friday, and let's hope for low traffic. Right. I got some good writing done, and it's amazing how my whole body just relaxes when I listen to myself and go sit outside and let things flow. So, anyway, I see we've had a couple other people join us. I'm so glad. I have, unfortunately, something I have to get to, but I am hoping to start doing this more regularly and to find some new spots, hopefully, have less noisy traffic. But before we end, I thought I would pop over and show you the most ridiculous nest I have ever seen. It is a little embarrassing because we definitely have a 1990s ugly brown broken fridge sitting out in our driveway waiting to get it discarded. But in the meantime, what happened was I think a Carolina wren built a nest in this Fanta box in our fridge. I don't think you can probably see, but there are a few little babies in there. I just noticed them today. So I am going to let them be so their mom can feed them. But thank you guys for joining, and slightly more relaxed day now. Have a wonderful afternoon.